Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Hostinger's DNS zone editor. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account and make your way to the H panel. Once you're in, direct your attention to the domain section and select Domain Portfolio. The goal here is to find the specific domain you're looking to edit. Once located, go ahead and click on Manage. You will notice a sidebar here. You'll select DNS/nameservers and then proceed to the DNS Records tab. This is where you'll be managing all the DNS settings. With the DNS Zone Editor open, adding a new DNS record is simple and straightforward. Now you'll need to choose what type of record you wish to create. There are several types, including A, CNAME, MX, or TXT, among others. For the name or host field, if you're applying changes to the root domain, simply use the @ symbol. The content or target field is where details like an IP address, a mail server, or any verification code are entered. As for the TTL, which stands for time to live, it's typically safest to leave this on its default setting, which is usually around 14,400 seconds. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields to your satisfaction, hit Add Record to confirm and save your new configuration. Now that you've added a new record, let's go over how to edit or delete any existing ones. Scroll through your list of current records or simplify your search by filtering by name or type. When you find the record you'd like to modify, click on the Edit button. Make sure to click Update when you're finished with your changes. If you'd rather remove a record entirely, simply use the Delete button to delete it right away. Lastly, if you ever need to roll back your settings to a previous state, Hostinger provides an easy solution. Navigate to the DNS History tab. Here you'll have the option to restore next to any date listed. Review this snapshot carefully, acknowledge the notice, and then proceed by clicking Restore DNS Zone. Keep in mind, changes made here could take up to 24 hours to fully propagate, so a little patience might be necessary. And that's it. So that is how you can use Hostinger's DNS Zone Editor. So that's all for this video. Thanks.